Real futures start with real skills, and that's exactly what CTE delivers in Beaumont I.S.D. Career and technical education is more than learning a trade. It's about equipping students with the academic knowledge, technical skills, and hands-on experience they need to thrive in today's workforce and become lifelong learners. In Beaumont I.S.D, CTE is preparing students for the real world in a real way. The goal of BISD's Career and Technical Education Department is to ensure every student graduates with the certifications, skills, and confidence needed to succeed, whether they choose college, a career, or entrepreneurship. Students explore high-demand fields such as health science, culinary arts, engineering, business, agriculture, graphic design, and more. At the Career and Technical Education Center, students receive hands-on training using innovative industry tools and technologies, including collaborative robotics and professional lab environments. Through the CTE Marketplace and student-run enterprises, learners put their skills into action, operating real businesses, developing leadership, and gaining entrepreneurial experience that sets them apart. And with strong support from local industry partners, students benefit from mentorships, internships, equipment donations, and career exposure that connects classroom learning to real-world success. Beaumont I.S.D's Career and Technical Education Department is committed to equipping students with the knowledge, experience, and confidence to lead, innovate, and excel today and in the future. This is where education meets opportunity and where Beaumont I.S.D students begin building the future.